Let's launch the Workspot client. User authentication happens through the identity provider, and everything runs inside a secure, policy-controlled container. We'll start by opening Outlook to check email. Now we're in OneDrive, opening a sales presentation with just one click. Next, let's launch Teams. These three commonly used applications run in the embedded enterprise browser, locally rendered, fast, and responsive, so the experience feels native, and you do not incur any infrastructure costs of using a virtual desktop. When a desktop is required, you can easily launch a Windows 11 virtual desktop in the cloud. Here we open a 3D CAD application that takes advantage of a GPU-enabled desktop. We'll close the desktop session. It securely shuts down with one click. And finally, closing the Workspot client ends all browser and desktop sessions, returning us to a clean, secure state.